Yeah, so I'm out here in my barn. This is the motor that came out of my green square body truck. This is the lq4. We put the 5.3 in with the Pro Charger. This motor, the 6-liter, ran pretty good, but developed like a miss. And I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it, but this is out here sitting in my barn. Like it's in the barn. You know, this is a iron head 6-liter, so I think what I want to do is do a stroker motor with this. So I think I'm just going to rip these heads off. You know, they probably got 200,000 on or whatever. They're junk. So I'll rip the rotating assembly out, pull everything out, send it out to the machine shop, get it bored, get some new cam bearings pressed in. So today we're just going to tear it down and see if we can find out why it missed. We had a miss. I don't know. You can kind of see that. This one valve is like chalky white. I'm thinking it had some problems. You know, it's just a high mileage 6-liter. We're gonna rip her down. Down and dirty. In the dirt. It's not in the shop. It's in the barn. Here we go. So we've been working on this for a little bit. Just doing a time lapse. I got the heads off, got the pistons off, got the transmission off. I don't see anything too bad other than this thing had a ton of miles and it's got a huge ridge on the cylinder. I'm not really concerned about saving too much of this stuff. I'm going to get a stroker crank, new pistons, rods, bearings, all that stuff. So got that off. Got that out. Pull this cam out, see how that fared. That's got one season on that stage 4 truck cam, brand truly racing. Yeah, gonna keep ripping her apart. Hopefully get her down to the bare block, put those main caps back on, and send her off to the machine shop. Get board 30 over honed. See if they gotta do anything else. Probably haven't put new cam bearings and stuff in it, but yeah, I gotta keep chipping away here. It's only been about an hour, so let's go.